There's a tree that came crashing down here and it's still blocking the road behind me, but if you look closely you'll notice there's a car buried underneath it. We want to get to the video we shot earlier today so you can see what it looked like when this all happened around 3:30 this afternoon. Neighbors say they heard a strong gust of wind just before that tree came toppling down. It also took some wires down with it. Luckily we're told that no one was injured today, but they do have a part of this road blocked off here on Odell Avenue near Spring Street.
And I heard a lot of wind, and I know because I was going to just take my dog out for a walk, and I looked out. I figured it was garbage cans or something flying around, and I looked out my window and I saw just at that moment the wires were going down and they were sparking.
Crews with National Grid just arrived here at the scene not too long ago, but it's not clear how long it will take before they clean up the damage out here.